Hello, my name is Anthony Evangelista, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite meal, homemade macaroni and cheese. It is so creamy and delicious. So first, you'll need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, any brand will work, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 small ounce jar of regular Alfredo sauce, 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese, and 1/2 cup of milk. Let's get started.
The first step is to bring 4 quarts of water to a boil in a pot. Next, add 1 pound of elbow macaroni into the boiling water. Cook the macaroni for 10 minutes until tender and stir occasionally. Once the macaroni is cooked, pour the macaroni into a colander to drain. Have a parent or guardian help you if needed. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of butter into the pot you just had the macaroni in. Then add 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Next, add 1/2 cup of milk. Then you want to stir it until melted. Add 1 jar of Alfredo sauce, or you could use more cheese for that more cheesy flavor. Stir together while the heat is on low. For the last and final step, add the cooked macaroni into the cheese sauce and stir.
Homemade mac and cheese, my favorite. Delicious.
Thanks for watching!